Welcome to Photo Day. So, let's say you're ready to purchase photos and have your gallery access code. If you've never visited Photo Day before, you'll arrive at this screen, either via text message if you've already opted into a gallery by texting 90738, or if you're directly visiting my.photoday.com. You'll first need to create an account, which you can do by clicking the Get Started button right here. Simply enter your mobile number, and then the 6-digit verification code that you receive. If you're unable to use a phone number, you can also sign up for an account with a valid email address. Simply click the Continue with Email button, and then enter your email address. Check your inbox for the 6-digit verification code that you will then enter on the next screen.
This will bring you to the gallery screen, where you'll be prompted to enter your gallery's access code. Go ahead and enter that here and click Submit. You'll be treated to some general information about the gallery, and once you're ready, you'll be able to start browsing photos. Within Photo Day, there are up to 4 ways to search for your photos, depending on the options your photographer is offering in that gallery. Here, we see all 4 available. You can search for a specific subject via Face Find, Photo Day's facial recognition feature. Just upload a photo of who you're looking for, and Photo Day will locate every photo in which they're featured. This is especially useful for galleries featuring multiple subjects. Aside from Face Find, you can search galleries by tags, view all photos, or view your favorites. Since you haven't selected any favorites yet, let's go ahead and search by tags. We can see that the photographer tagged this gallery with division names for this soccer league. We can click on the tag we want, or we can manually search for it. Press the Filter button once you've selected the tags you want. This will bring up the photos only within those tags. From there, you can select your favorites. You can either select all by selecting the Heart All button at the top of the gallery, or you can favorite individual photos by tapping the heart icon in the upper right of each photo. You'll see your favorites populate at the bottom of your screen, after which you can select Shop to move on to the storefront and begin the customization and purchasing process. Once in the storefront, you'll be presented with multiple products your photographer has offered for purchase. Immediately, you'll see the products and packages they've chosen to feature, but you can also manually navigate and browse all products, or browse individual categories, such as prints and specialty items. You can also search for specific products from the All Products screen. In this example, let's select a package to purchase. Once selected, you'll be able to see what products are contained within that package. If you're happy with what's included, hit the Customize button to move on to the Product Customizer. Once in the Product Customizer, you'll be able to adjust which images you'd like to apply to specific products, as well as make cropping adjustments to those photos. Adjust the zoom and placement for your selected photos, and hit the Confirm button to finalize your selection. Hit Confirm again to move on to the next product in your cart or package. You'll need to do this for every item. Some products will feature more customization options than others. For instance, some items like memory mates or magazine covers will allow you to choose from a selection of themes like we see here. Choose one and hit Confirm, and then you'll be prompted to customize more aspects of these specialty items, such as photo placement, which takes you back to the crop and position adjustment screen, and even custom text fields for things like subject name, team name, school name, or year. Once you've confirmed all of your customization options in your cart, hit the Finish button. You'll be prompted to either view your cart or continue shopping. Let's go ahead and view our cart. In the shopping cart, you'll see if your photographer has added any retouching options as a selection. Retouching is a paid add-on that can smooth skin tone, among other subtle adjustments. We can select which photos we want to have retouched, and then proceed to checkout. Enter your name and delivery address, as well as confirm your email and phone number. Then, select your preferred shipping option from the next drop-down menu. Finally, enter your payment information, as well as any offer or discount codes you might have received. This gallery had an offer for orders over $75, so we can go ahead and apply that now. After that, all you need to do is tap the Place Order button, and that's it. You'll receive an email confirmation that your order has been placed, and your photos and products will then be printed and shipped right to your door.